Hey guys, just want to share with you my unboxing experience with my Phrozen Mighty 8K. I did a pre-order and got some extra stuff like the resin vat right here you're seeing. Also, you get a screen protector and an extra NFEP sheet. And here you can see the printer's box itself. This small box you're seeing right now is the Phrozen 8K resin. It did came with a pre-order bundle and was really glad that I bought it earlier. Now we're peeling off the plastic wrapping on the printer. I would say the packaging of the unit overall is pretty solid and nothing really broke when it arrived in my place, so I'd say it's working. Now we're taking off the lid to be able to remove the remaining styrofoams, and here's the build plate of the Phrozen Mighty 8K and the goodies that comes with it when you buy the unit, the printer itself. So it's the last part of the styrofoam, and this is pretty much the unit itself. So right here we have the box that comes with it. This one has the manual, the funnel, gloves, wrenches, sandpaper, USB and Wi-Fi, wire, power brick, and a plastic spatula. I forgot to mention the metal scraper or spatula as well, right there on the lower left side of the screen. And here we have the Mighty 8K's build plate and the longer orange 30 build plate. I'm just going to do a difference between them, and I can say there's like you can almost fit 4 of this build plate, like the longer orange 30. Now we're taking off the resin vat to remove the plastic cover on the FEP sheet right here.
Nice.
And yeah, you can find the switch button at the back of the printer. I really wish this was on the side of the front. And here we're gonna do a quick LCD test just to check if the LCD is working. We have the light, we have the grid as well as the blackened, so I'd say it was working properly in terms of the LCD. And right here I'm going to do a test print that comes with a USB. You can find it in the USB that comes with it. And for the settings, I was just using the default settings that's in Cheat2 box. And yeah, I'm using Cheat2 box as my slicer. Yeah, I think it took me 2 hours to print this, almost 3 hours I would say, to print this small guy right here. But I was really glad with the details. I know it's not that clean because it's just a test print, and you can see the white stuff right there. But yeah, I did a full anatomy print, but it was a failure. This is the only savable part, and I did a print of the XP Finder as well. It broke, but the details are there, man. It's always the details. I'll probably print a new version of this print, but overall I'm still happy with the details as well, man. Here are some models that I built. Female warrior right here, and I've got my original creature. I've got a bunch more models, but this is the only one I want to show, as well as Queen Marka from Elder Ring. The artwork is not mine. It's somebody I don't know. Shout out to the guy who painted this. I only did the 3D model, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.